Hi, and welcome to this video in the series of how to use PSec GEARS for fixed income analysis in South Africa. This video is going to generate a lot of interest as we'll be talking about bond data and specifically JSE bond data. So what is bond data? Bond data is the characteristics of a bond that you need to do pricing to just know what a bond is about. So the issue date, the coupon payment dates, the coupon rates, etc., etc. So we're going to use the RN 2027. Let's not forget that little apostrophe to tell Excel that the R is not a rand sign. And we're just going to use today's date as this is not too important. And the output variable, that's variable. Let's change this to coupon dates, as this is a commonly used parameter. And then the function we use to retrieve this data is pf.bonddata. This should be intuitive. We have a bond code. We have an output, let's say coupon dates. And we have a date. The date is an optional parameter, so it's not required here. So there's a few parameters we're going to talk about now which do require one to specify date, but let's just specify it here. So this is more flexible. As you change the output variable from something that doesn't require the date to something that does require the date, you actually just save yourself. And you can also put a default parameter, so if the specified property is not available, you can use the NA function in GEARS in Excel, and that will give you a useful output if something is not available rather than just a blank space. And here you have the next 4 coupon dates, but let's actually go into this function to see what's available. So just to remind yourself that there is a help file for every GEARS function, and this just describes what you can get back from this function. So there's quite a number of parameters you can get out. You can get the ISIN of the bond, you can get the nominal amount in issue, authorized amount. You can get what the guarantee type is, you can get the bond category, issue type, pricing, other pricing, redemption dates. You can also get the link to the pricing supplement. So this way you can verify any information you might think is incorrect. Or you can just get anything that's needed. So you can get stuff where the bond is X. This one actually does require the date, so you can check in the right hand column if the date is required, and there's these 5 that does require a date. So, and a reminder that the parameter names isn't case specific or space specific, so you can also specify coupon dates as coupon dates. It'll still work. You can do whatever you want. It'll still work. And yes, you add something that isn't part. This is not recognized. So NCD is short for next coupon date. So next coupon date is on the 11th. And let's just undo that. And you can see that as well. You can also get the previous coupon date, which is the 11th of April. And that's that. So there's another function. So there's 2 functions for bond data. You can get the pf.couponflow as well. So let's just reuse some information. Trade date is the 14th. Bond code, let's use the R186. And let's get the issue date. So pf.bonddata, the function we just used. Bond code, output, and we can actually just use this. And that was issued on the 21st of May 1998. And we want to get all the coupon dates ever for the R186. So let's use the let's do that now. So pf.couponflow, and we want to specify the output, which is coupon flow. We are going to specify the bond code. We are going to specify the settlement date, so let's actually, that doesn't really matter too much. Let's use the issue date. and here we should be able to drag this across. The term, of course, is a number, and there's also a number. Here we see all the coupon dates from the issue to the end, and so the book close dates, the actual term being from the settlement date, so the issue date, or the coupon flow as well. So this is just the coupon rate divided by 2, as we're doing bond pricing. It's the semi-annual bond, so just to verify this, pf.bond data, we're doing the bond code, and we are doing coupon rate, I do believe that's 10.5, and if you divide this by 2, it's 5.25. Of course, remember that Gears puts this out as a number, not a percentage, so to convert it to a percentage, just divide it by 100, and that matches, and of course, there. And this is how to get out any characteristics of a bond, and also get the flows for this bond. Of course, the coupon flow only works for nominal bonds, as FRN and inflation-linked bonds, we don't know the coupon flow in advance. See you in the next video.